I'm Tamara, and on today's video, I want to show you a sneak peek inside the Rapid Profit Machine, which is a done-for-you affiliate system that is kicking ass. So if you haven't heard about it already, I'm sure you will very soon. So you might as well get on board now. And like I said, it's absolutely free to join. And I'm also going to show you my bonuses I'm giving out just for joining the free program. I mean, talk about over deliver. Okay, so let's go inside and take a closer look. Okay, so first you're going to come to this page, my page. You can just click the link below in the description. And then once you go through there, you're going to go through a few steps. James is going to take you step by step through. They're pretty easy, take you 5 minutes. And then you're going to be inside the member area. You also will get a 2-week free trial with Builderall, which is literally the best all-in-one marketing platform in the world, in my opinion. I've been with them since 2017. I was Canada's first certified Builderall partner, and that's where I met James-Neville Taylor, who is the creator of the RPM. If you missed a step in the first process, you're just going to follow these again. So all the different steps you have got to do, right? Like I said, it does not take very long at all. So then once you're set up, he's included so much training as well. It's incredible. Okay, so here's the different training modules. So let's just go check these out. And so, I mean, like every step, okay, so he just covers you, he's got your back. He is the world's #1 Builderall affiliate. I think he's coming up to, if not past, $500,000 in Builderall commissions. He's a great guy. He's a top bloke. You're going to basically meet him because he also arranges free weekly live masterclasses with the top affiliates and traffic people, in the world. So, I mean, he has to pay about $5,000 for some of these guys to come on, and you're going to get these free every week as well as all this training. Okay, so this will give you the basics of what affiliate marketing is. And then we'll go to the Facebook marketing. Okay, so he shows you exactly. So the organic is just, free traffic. So there you go. And then if you don't know anything about solo ads, well, he's got you covered there too. Okay, again, takes you step by step through the solo ads, and he provides traffic. If you want to buy traffic, you can buy them from him because they're awesome. I've got quite a few leads that way. Okay, and then the last one is Ninja Life Hacks. You also, I think it's through here. Oh, you also get a free Kickstart call if you need some help. Obviously, you can just reply to one of my emails and I will help you out as well. Not a problem. Yeah, so these are the upsells. If you want them, you don't have to. Like I said, the RPM, the system is free, and that does earn you 50% commissions on these 3 upsells. If you were to upgrade to the RPM Pro, which I would highly recommend because it's only, I think, $29 a month. I have it. And you get 100% commissions on everything. And this is a recurring one too. So basically, if you do join up for the Pro and you get one person to join up under you, that's paying yours. That's not too shabby. But like I said, all upsells are completely optional. Okay, so he even gives you free traffic. He's a very generous guy. So once your RPM is set up, you would copy your link. I would really highly suggest you buy a domain because it just looks better. But regardless, if you don't have a domain, that's fine. And then you just submit your link here. You get into this traffic rotator. I think it was in February of 2021. And already, there's a few thousand people in it. No one else will give you free traffic. I'll tell you that right now. So so you submit your link there and there you go. And you can even buy more spots in the rotator. I have 10 more spots. If you do become a pro, I think it's a pros. Yeah, when you become a pro as well, you also get some free software, like link tracking software. He definitely over delivers. Speaking of which, let's see my bonuses I'm going to give you. Okay, so once you join from this page over here, you're going to obviously start getting some emails from me. And in the first few emails, there's going to be a link to this page, and you're going to be able to grab these for bonuses. That one's a different program, but it is a special price. It's only $7, and it is a really, really good program as well. It's more about how to start any kind of online business. And for $7, I mean, you can't really go wrong. It's good. I've done it. But yeah, stick it to the RPM. From my email list, you'll get this. There's like almost 140 different affiliate programs you can join, and then the tools, as well as this is, I don't know, I can't remember how many pages, 130 pages ebook. Took quite a while to put these together, trust me. And then if you do decide after your 2-week free trial with Builderall and become a paid member, which I would really recommend because it is awesome. You have over 40 online marketing tools. And that includes sales funnels and websites, and there's just so much. I'll do a full review for Builderall video on here, so make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you can catch those out. Plus, I'm going to do updates on how I'm doing in the RPM as well as Legendary Marketer. So, you know that I'm doing it for real. I'm with you. And of course, you can always reply to any of my emails and I will help you out as best as I can. But like I was saying, if you do become a paid member at Builderall after your 2 weeks, and also the price is going up mid-August, but if you join now, you'll be locked in at the price you join for as long as you remain a member. So it's good timing. So it's mid-May now, so you got a couple months. Like becoming a paid member Builderall, you're going to get all these bonuses, as well as those free bonuses. You're going to get these as well. There is a lot. Okay, not too bad. There's even like a free hotel holiday, basically. Yeah, there's 16 different destinations, so you can choose one of those for yourself. I don't even stop there because look, I'm going to, when I see you in my Builderall dashboard as a paid member, then I'm going to transfer over a copy of this website for you to use for your leads, and then you can then also transfer it on to your paid Builderall members, because Builderall is a 2-tier affiliate system. So not only are you making money through the RPM and James's upsells, but you're also going to be making money through Builderall. And you get, it's 100% commissions on the first month. Then it's 30% commissions monthly, so passive income on 2 levels. So basically, whoever I bring in, first month 100%, and then the months after that, I get 30%, plus whoever they bring in, I get 30% on theirs as well, which will work for you. So it's 2 tiers. So by helping my leads get more leads, it puts more money in the bank for me, and it works the same for you. So that's why I love it. Plus, on top of that, you also will get the RPM 50% commissions for any of the RPM upsells. And if you go pro, you get 100% commissions on all those. So that's what I'm saying. It's crazy. I mean, give it a go. It's free to join. The RPM is free. And like I said, you get a 2-week free trial with Builderall, plus all my bonuses, of course. And also with the RPM, so you get the website built for you. So there is, I think, 3 pages. And in just a few steps, which James shows you step by step what to do. So it would take you maybe half an hour max to get it all set up. All your affiliate links are already included in your website, as well as there is 30 email follow-ups professionally written by James himself that go out automatically as well, with your affiliate links in there already. So you don't have to mess about with the emails, which is where I hate emails. So that alone is worth it. Oh, and then one last thing. He's also has contests and prizes as well as some promo materials. And like I said, you can buy some traffic from him too if you want. Or, do free traffic through YouTube, TikTok, any other social media, Instagram, whatever, Pinterest, whatever you want to do. But he has some promo materials, more is coming. And then also contests and prizes where you can win anywhere from 100 free solo ad clicks to 1,000. So really, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or go to rapid.littlebitacoin.com so you can come on my team and get all my bonuses today. Get going. What are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Have yourself an awesome day.